pet and filler words. Most of us do use some filler words, but there's a difference between the occasional use and not being able to finish a sentence without using one or two filler words. It's when we're delivering a talk that it becomes obvious. Let's take a look at a person speaking.
Natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, information engineering, and artificial intelligence. It is kind of an interaction between the computers, humans, and of course the language. It's sort of looking at how the computers process and analyze large amounts of language data.
Have you listened to a person like this? Isn't it hard? That's because she used 8 pet and filler words. Filler words have no meaning. Why do we use filler words? We believe that they may think we've forgotten what we want to say and are quick to fill the empty space with a meaningless and boring word. Here is a list of filler words. Which ones do you use frequently? Using too many filler and pet words take away from your word power. Let's see another example.
I just want to check if you have a couple of minutes. Actually, I wanted to discuss something with you. By the way, this is about our people database system. And just like the rest of the company, we are using the same system. We have a lot of local policies and processes which are not customized to our country laws. Surely we can get this customization built into our system.
Would you approve the system change? No. Why? Because he sounds unsure of what he's saying. Why does he sound hesitant? He used 7 filler words, which makes him sound verbose and a passive communicator who is less confident of what he's saying. Here we have redone the same example.
Do you have a couple of minutes? Our people database is not customized to our local country policies and laws. We need these customizations built into our system.
How does this sound? It's direct and to the point with no fillers. A pet word is a word that you repeat frequently. It makes the listener get bored, and it makes you sound like you have a smaller vocabulary and are less confident. We all have our own pet words. They may be pet words and filler words such as you know, actually, really, so, okay, and others. Or they might be a specific word like very, really, perfect, cherish, reason, and so on. To reduce your number of pet and filler words, you can do the following. Number 1, be aware. Upload your video on uSpeakNow.com and find out your pet and filler words. Number 2, name and shame. Make a list of all your pet and filler words and put the list up in your office or home and also tell others about it. Just by doing this, you'll see an improvement of more than 25% in the reduction of your pet and filler words. Number 3, train your brain. Tell a peer or a family member to give you a hand gesture like finger on their lips every time they see you use that pet or filler word. By doing this repeatedly, your brain will associate this word with the other person's reaction and teach you not to use that pet or filler word. Number 4, be crisp. Keep your sentences to 5 to 10 words per sentence. That way you'll have less pet and filler words, and it'll also bring clarity to your sentences. While it sounds simple, most of us, 70%, are verbose. We recommend that you watch our videos on clarity to write more crisply. The links are there in the description. Number 5, get comfortable with silence. As humans, we don't like a lot of silence, so we quickly fill the space with pet and filler words. Consciously tell yourself that pauses and moments of silence are okay. It gives your audience time to absorb what you're saying, think about your next words, and also reduces your pet and filler words. A pause may seem never-ending, as if time is going in slow motion, but to the audience, it seems natural. Number 6, relax your mind. The more nervous you feel, the more pet and filler words you're going to use. Before speaking, you want to exhale twice, like this, before you inhale again. This will relax your mind and make your voice sound better. Number 7, make eye contact and use hand gestures. So you want to look at your audience and lock eyes with someone and finish a thought before moving to the next person. This will help to slow your rate of speech and reduce your filler and pet words. Also, make sure that your hands are not behind your back or in your pockets. Make them more meaningful and adding on to what you're saying. Number 8, prepare well. Preparing well allows you to chunk pieces of information in your mind and commit it to memory. Script out what you're going to say word for word and practice it 5 or 6 times. Go to our website, myjen.ai, for more details.